Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Machine Learning Ninjas. Today we are going to discuss about measures of central tendency. So measures of central tendency is a very convenient way of describing a group of points with a single number, which in turn helps you understand the overall performance of the group. So if you look at how mean, median or mode is calculated, you take a group of points and you represent it using a single number, which in turn helps you understand the overall performance. So as I mentioned earlier, mean, median and mode are the commonly used methods of measuring central tendency. So today let us try and understand what exactly is this mean. Mean is referred to as the arithmetic average, and it is one of the most commonly used method to find the center of the data. There are two kinds of mean which you can calculate. One is the sample mean, the other one is the group data mean. To understand the sample mean, let us assume that there are 5 students in a class and these are the marks scored by them. Simply take the sum and divide it by 5, which will give you the overall average, or in other words, it helps you understand the performance of the class. So as I mentioned earlier, you take a group of points and you represent it using a single number. In this case, we are representing it using the simple arithmetic average or the mean. So let us try and understand how to calculate group data mean. So sometimes you might not get the numbers or the points in absolute terms. You can get it in terms of frequencies. So to calculate the group data mean, let us take an example of the number of hours spent in watching TV and the frequency. So to help you understand this better, there are 104 kids who spend around 1 hour and there are 130 and 98 kids who spend like 2 to 3 hours. So this is a derived column which tells you there are 130 kids who spend 2 hours, so the total number of hours is 260. So to calculate the group data mean, simply take the sum of the total number of hours spent in watching TV by all the kids and the total number of kids. So this gives you the group data mean. Sometimes depending on the problem statement, you can approximate this to the nearest number. In certain scenarios, you might not get this in terms of absolute values. It could be in terms of ranges. In such a situation, simply take the midpoint and everything else remains the same. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe.